Walmart conducting hiring challenge for the role of software engineer. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and how you can participate in this challenge. First, let me see about challenge. At Walmart, we believe that a line of code we can change the way of million people. This is a simple thing. They have given some basic informations here. Then now let me see the important thing here, the eligibility criteria. They need year of experience from 1 to 5 years, and the branches and the streams and the degree they are looking are BE or BTech or ME MTech equivalent with computer science, electronics, electrical, telecommunications, information technology, instrumentation can apply. Now let me see the test format. First, there will be of 8 MCQs and 2 DS. Here, the DS means data structures, algorithm questions of medium complexity. Then, the language restriction, you will be having the Java language. Then, now let me see the challenge format. Candidate matching the eligibility criteria will be invited for the test. Test will be open for 3 days. There will be of your duration will be of 3 days, and you have to complete the test and the challenge, which is here a challenge. Participant can take up the challenge on any days, on any of these days. Test link for all 3 days will be shared with all relevant candidates. You will be after registering here, you will be getting a mail where they will be mentioning about a challenge, and the link will be provided to take for the challenge. Here, the test window will be opening at August 6, 12:30 a.m. to August 8, 6:25 p.m. So you can take the test between these two dates at any time given here. So now let me see the open position: software engineer, full stack developer, Java full stack developer. The job location will be provided of Chennai or Bangalore. Experience rate is 1 to 5 years of experience, and they have given your opportunities some basic stuffs. And now let me see some other skills you are required for this particular job role. Strong computer science fundamental, data structures, algorithm design and patterns, hands-on experience building services using these technologies: Java, Spring Boot, microservices, etc. Experience in web technologies like React JS, Angular JS, JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS. Experience building RESTful services, then SOAP web services, messaging systems, Kafka, RabbitMQ. Experience on unit testing frameworks like JUnit, Spock, Jest, etc. And quad quality control like platforms like Sonar, and CI or CD development, Git, then Maven, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Azure DevOps, knowledge of Linux. These are some of the skills provided, and they have given some basic information about the company. You can see a video to know about the company, and they have provided some of the guidelines like ensure you are attempting the test using the correct. This is an important thing here. The email ID which is used for registration, also you want to use the same mail ID and the password for taking the test, and you must click submit button after each and every answer. Then only your answer will be stored in the database. So otherwise you will not getting a marks. So uh, so submit your questions, each and every questions after attempting. If you need assistance during the test, click the question mark in the lower right corner of the page. Once the test has started, the timer cannot be paused, and you have to complete the test in one attempt. You have to, okay, you can understand, I think so. Do not close the browser window or tab of test interface before you submit your final answers. These are the things they have given, and here they have given sample challenge. Here you can click this button so that you can able to see the sample practice challenge you can take here, so that it will be useful while attempting the challenge on the date. So use this practice challenge to prepare for the test, and that's it. And they have given some of the basic FAQs. If you have any queries, you can see here, and if you want to know other queries, you can directly contact, I think so. So all the best for your hiring challenge.